بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful.
إذا السماء انشقت وأذنت لربها وحقت وإذا الأرض مدت وألقت ما فيها وتخلت وأذنت لربها وحقت.
When the heaven is split asunder, and attentive to her Lord in fear, and when the earth is spread out, and hath cast out all that was in her and is empty, and attentive to her Lord in fear.
يا أيها الإنسان إنك كادح إلى ربك كدحا فملاقيه فأما من أوتي كتابه بيمينه فسوف يحاسب حسابا يسيرا وينقلب إلى أهله مسرورا وأما من أوتي كتابه وراء ظهره فسوف يدعو ثبورا ويصلى سعيرا إنه كان في أهله مسرورا إنه ظن أن لن يحور بلى إن ربه كان به بصيرا.
Thou verily, O man, art working toward thy Lord a work which thou wilt meet in his presence. Then whoso is given his account in his right hand, he truly will receive an easy reckoning, and will return unto his folk in joy. But whoso is given his account behind his back, he surely will invoke destruction, and be thrown to scorching fire. He verily lived joyous with his folk. He verily deemed that he would never return unto Allah. Nay, but lo, his Lord is ever looking on him.
فلا أقسم بالشفق والليل وما وسق والقمر إذا اتسق لتركبن طبقا عن طبق فما لهم لا يؤمنون وإذا قرئ عليهم القرآن لا يسجدون بل الذين كفروا يكذبون والله أعلم بما يوعون فبشرهم بعذاب أليم إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم أجر غير ممنون.
Oh, I swear by the afterglow of sunset, and by the night and all that it enshroudeth, and by the moon when she is at the full, that ye shall journey on from plain to plain. What aileth them then that they believe not? And when the Quran is recited unto them, worship not Allah? Nay, but those who disbelieve will deny, and Allah knoweth best what they are hiding. So give them tidings of a painful doom, save those who believe and do good works, for theirs is a reward unfailing.